Brad.
Deep breath.
Una ka sa kanan niya lagi, ha?
Pícalo, pícalo,
Pero
Marco.
ten confianza, güey.
Pero dale,
Estás entero.
como que le quieres ganar a este cabrón. Le vas ganando, pero quieres que dale más duro. Más consistencia, Marco. Échale duro, Marco. ¿Qué pasó, Marco?
Sinasabi ng corner, be confident, you're winning this round, you're winning this fight. Sabi naman sa corner ni Manny Pacquiao, Brad, unahan mo sa kanan niya. Unahan mo sa kanan niya, yan ang sinasabi ni Buboy Fernandez.
Manny Pacquiao looking up in prayer. Alam niya na mahirap na laban to. Barrera.
Excellent shot to the midsection of Manny Pacquiao to open this round, round number 8. So far, we have seen Manny Pacquiao taking the last 5, 6, and 7th rounds.
Ako, description ko dito. Ang description ko dito sa laban ni Barrera, he's fighting a very tactical fight.
Itong round na ito, papasok si Barrera.
Ito po ang Motolite pangmatagalan round number 8.
Well, Barrera probably feels that hindi niya nakuha yung last few rounds. Dapat gumalaw-galaw na siya rito. Manny now leading off with that right. Fans chanting Barrera's name, Pacquiao's name.
Manny Pacquiao.
Oh!
Hit by a 1-2 combination.
Yun ang counter.
Excellent shot by Barrera. Maybe the best combination of this entire fight para kay Marco Antonio Barrera. But again,
yun ang sinasabi ko, Chino, na kapag wala sa timing yung suntok ni Manny, tatamaan siya ni Barrera.
Yung
bukas na
counter,
bukas.
Yes.
yung counter ni Barrera na 1-2 coming after Pacquiao lunging in.
Manny Pacquiao connects with the left and connects with the right. Manny Pacquiao trying to uncork that left hand.
Oh,
Ang ganda
good
ng
left.
upper. Ayan ang
Yun ang
hinihintay.
sinasabi ko. No. Dapat itaas ng konti yung kaliwa na yan. Hindi pwedeng straight ng straight kasi yumuyo ko yung Barrera.
At may namumuunang pamamaga sa may bandang kanang pisngi.
Ni
Itong
Marco
si Marco
Antonio
Antonio Barrera. Ang talim ng right jab. At hindi pa rin ginagamit extensively. Wow, what a 1-2 combination that forces Barrera to just hold on.
Oh, that time hindi nagka-counter, no?
Yun, magandang kaliwa ang binitawan ni Manny. Upper dapat ang itatapon doon. Yung ganong sitwasyon
So far, dito sa patapos ng ating round, kanino nyo nakikita ito?
Well, Manny of course. Manny's winning this fight. Manny's winning this round.
Oh, I think winning the fight, pero this round, I think maybe, that
there he
time,
goes.
maganda.
Tinamaan niya si Marco Antonio Barrera doon.
And Barrera stopped dead in his tracks.
Oh, Manny can still save this round, huh? Kung
Ayun,
sakali
tumatama.
man Barrera had some advantage.
Itong later stages, I think Manny Pacquiao is dictating the tempo now. Round number 8 about to end. But Barrera counters. Manny Pacquiao wise to just let those blows glance him. A bit wild sa atake na yun, yung flying attack nitong si Manny Pacman Pacquiao. End of round number 8. That round goes to Manny Pacquiao.